अस्सलाम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
वालेकुम
मैम।
अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। मैम आप कैसी हैं?
बच्चे मेरी आवाज आप लोगों को
जी
मैम
मैम आ रही है।
मैम क्लियर नहीं आ रही क्यों?
मैम आ रही है।
ओके, हाउ यू ऑल आर डूइंग? गुड।
यस मैम गुड।
हम्म। And are you following those precautions, or I can say SOPs related to corona or pandemic? We can say, are you following those SOPs? मास्क पहनते हो, हैंड
यस
सैनिटाइज
मैम।
करते हो,
यस
डिस्टेंस
यस
रखते हो,
मैम।
मैम।
हाथ नहीं
सैनिटाइज
मिलाते
नहीं
हो?
करते हैं, मिलाते हैं
हम्म,
मैम।
मिलाते हैं।
मिलाते हो ना?
मिलाते हैं मैम।
और मास्क भी कभी कभी नहीं पहनते हैं। हैंड सैनिटाइजर तो हम भूल ही गए हैं, है ना?
यस मैम।
यस
हम्म।
मैम। यस
लेकिन ये इतनी खतरनाक चीज है, इतनी खतरनाक चीज है बच्चे। अपनी सेहत के लिए करना है, किसी और के लिए नहीं करना। जो ख्याल अगर आपने करना है तो वो अपने लिए करना है। आई वॉज रीडिंग ए पोस्ट फ्यू डेज बैक। इसमें एक लड़की ने पोस्ट लगाई हुई थी, जो कि उसने कहा कि 29 ऑफ अक्टूबर उसकी फैमिली, उसके फादर की थोड़ी थोड़ी तबीयत खराब थी। वो हॉस्पिटल गए हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि चलो टेस्ट करवा लेते हैं। वो उनकी बेटी और पेरेंट्स जो थे वो हॉस्पिटल गए हैं, बिल्कुल ठीक फ्रेश थे उस वक्त। और जी टेस्ट हुआ है, और रास्ते से उन्होंने मछली खरीदी है, बड़ी हंसी खुशी घर वापस आए हैं। 2 दिन बाद उसके फादर की तबीयत खराब हो गई, ज्यादा तबीयत खराब हो गई, लंग्स में इशू हो गया, ऑक्सीजन कम हो गई, और 1 हफ्ते बाद उसके फादर की डेथ हो गई थी। कोरोना वायरस पॉजिटिव आया हुआ था। मतलब शी सेड कि वो 1 हफ्ता पहले सोच भी नहीं सकती थी कि इस तरह से 1 हफ्ते बाद उसके घर में इस तरह से मुश्किल आई हुई होगी। तो बच्चे, जो आपने एसओपीज फॉलो करनी है, सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस आपने फॉलो करनी है, वो किसी और के लिए नहीं करनी है, वो सिर्फ अपनी सेहत के लिए करनी है, अपनी ज़ात के लिए करनी है, अपने घर वालों के लिए करनी है। तो ये बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये कोई इतना आसान सी चीज़ नहीं है। अल्लाह सबको महफूज रखे, हिफाजत में रखे। दुआ भी अल्लाह से मांगनी चाहिए, लेकिन अल्लाह ने ये भी बोला कि अपनी सेहत का ख्याल खुद भी रखो। ये जो चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो अच्छा जी, सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, yes, in the last class we have discussed about adjectives, and I have sent you a few pictures for the exercise. Have you done that?
जी मैम।
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
यस
Okay.
मैम।
I will the settings of the group, and then you will send me the answers of those that exercise to me in that group. Okay, moving forward, have you clearly get the ideas related to the adjectives, or is there any confusion?
नो मैम।
Everyone? No confusion. All the aspects are clear to you,
यस मैम।
and you can clearly identify any adjective given within the within any work or any exercise. And can you identify all the types of the adjectives if I gave you any exercise or any activity? Is it is that is it so?
यस मैम।
यस मैम।
Okay, okay,
मैम एक
okay.
क्वेश्चन था।
Ask me.
मैम वो रुके ना, मैं आपको बताता
Mm-hmm. It's very good if you can, if you ask me a question, if you have any kind of confusion, because in order to move forward, it's very important कि हमारे माइंड में किसी किस्म की confusion ना रहे, ठीक है? क्योंकि this it's very very important in order to move forward. हाँ जी नोमान, hurry up, I'm waiting for you.
You told me that the talk would be interesting. मैम इस एग्जाम्पल में कितने एडजेक्टिव होंगे?
Again बच्चे, you told me.
You You told me that the talk would be interesting.
That the talk would be interesting. Is there any noun?
No, ma'am.
Then then there can be any adjective. You told me that the talk would be interesting. So do you think that is there any noun? You, what is you here?
Pronoun.
Okay. Told, what is told?
Verb.
What is me here?
Possessive pronoun.
Yes, you told me it's also an object here. You told me that, what is that here?
Demonstrative.
No. That is linking to phrases or clauses, you can say.
Relative.
No, relative. It's linking, na? You told me that talk would be interesting. What is talk here?
Adjective.
Do you think that talk is an adjective?
No,
what is
ma'am.
adjective, Noman? Noman, what is an adjective?
Interesting.
No, I am asking what is an adjective? Noman.
मैम एडजेक्टिव है कि भाई किसी नाउन की खुसूसियात
I describe about the noun or the pronoun. So what is talk here? Talk is an
Noun.
action or not? Talk is an action or not?
Action.
Talk क्या है? आप you can do a talk.
No, ma'am, no.
Or if you are saying that it's a noun, then it is what type of noun it is? Is it a noun?
Ma'am, no idea.
Tell me, talk is a noun or not?
No,
Can you do a
madam,
talk?
no.
Can you talk?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's what?
Action.
Yes, it's an action. It's not a noun here. Noun. So talk would be interesting. Interesting is what? Interesting is about a verb, na? It's about an action. Interesting would be an action. And action is what? The talk. Then there is no adjective, bache. We don't have a noun here. You told me there is a pronoun, you, as well as me. You told me that the talk would be interesting. Talk is an action. And interesting is describing that verb. And interesting will be an adverb here. So that's why we are here for today. We are going to discuss about the verbs today. ठीक है? So then confusion will be clear. जी Noman.
मैम वो जो एग्जांपल थी उसके ऑप्शंस में मैम वन एक था एडजेक्टिव ऑप्शन में था वन.
किस ऑप्शन में था?
मैम वो
खोलो जल्दी खोलो.
मैम इसके ऑप्शन रॉन्ग दिए हुए थे और कुछ नहीं है. 1 3 3
मैम 10 था एमसीक्यूज 10 था.
Talk would be interesting.
10 था एमसीक्यूज मैम 10.
उसके ऑप्शंस ही गलत हैं बच्चे इसमें. Leave this.
Okay ma'am.
Leave this one. Okay, moving forward. Because we don't. This is what I required. कि आप जब किसी sentence को पढ़ते हैं और if you read any kind of thing anywhere, so सिर्फ उसके ऊपर confined नहीं रहते. Think about it logically. ठीक है? जब आप logically किसी चीज को पढ़ते हैं तो there would be a confusion, there would be a mistake. ठीक है? तो जब आप लॉजिकली चीजों को देखते हैं तो आप लॉजिकली उसका आंसर भी दे सकते हैं. जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम कुछ दिनों पहले एक टेस्ट हुआ that was related to a post for the job, तो उसमें क्या था, उसके अंदर कुछ ऑप्शंस ही गलत थी। ऑप्शन गलत होने से मुराद ये है कि उन्होंने जो क्वेश्चन किया हुआ था, क्वेश्चन कुछ था और क्वेश्चन के बीच में जो ऑप्शंस दी हुई थी, ऑप्शंस में से 3 ऑप्शंस वर करेक्ट देयर। एमसीक्यूज तो बेसिकली ऐसे होते हैं ना कि एमसीक्यूज के अंदर एक ऑप्शन ठीक होती है, बाकी सब गलत होती हैं, लेकिन वो जो क्वेश्चन आया हुआ था उसके अंदर 3 ऑप्शंस ऐसी थी जो तीनों ठीक थी और एक गलत थी उसके अंदर। तो वो जो क्वेश्चन था एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक था और उसने प्रॉब्लम भी क्रिएट की, लेकिन बाद में जो कंसर्न पर्सन थे उन्होंने उसके बारे में सोचा भी कि हाँ ये एमसीक्यूज ही गलत है। सो इट्स वेरी गुड कि आप किसी चीज को अगर लॉजिकली देखते हैं, हर चीज को ये नहीं होता कि बस आंखें बंद करके कान बंद करके किसी बात पे भी आप ट्रस्ट कर लें, यकीन कर लें। थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग लॉजिकली। जरूरी नहीं होता कि अगर आपको किसी मुल्ला ने या किसी भी उलमा ने या किसी भी टीचर ने या किसी भी बंदे ने कुछ भी बोल दिया तो आप उसको बस आंख बंद कर यकीन कर लो। अल्लाह ताला ने खुद भी फरमाया कि आप चीजों को लॉजिकली देखो, चीजों को थिंक अबाउट इट। अल्लाह आपको दिमाग दिया। So moving forward, then today we are going to discuss about verb. Okay, so verb. I think you people have read about verb 1,100, or you can say 100,000 times. Many times you people have read about it, about the verbs. What are the verbs, Bache?
Verbs are action verbs.
Verbs are the action. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else?
Ma'am, verb is state, occurrence.
Okay, Muniba.
Completely.
Verb shows an action. Okay, so verb is what? Verb is an action. Anything you do, we in our daily routine, on our usual day, we do 1,000 works within a day. We study, we do different kind of works, like work in the kitchen, work in the bedroom, or any other thing. We do multiple things. For example, this time we are doing word, I am teaching and you are learning. So these are the actions. So what a human being do, whatever a person do, whatever are the actions, these all things comes under this category of verbs. Jinoman.
Ma'am, verb produce linking between subject and object.
Okay. So we were discussing about the verb. Verbs are basically the action words. Okay, whenever you go through any kind of action, any kind of work, then that will be word, that will be a verb. Okay, and most of the times, like Noman has said, that verb is comes between the describes about the noun, or you can say the object. But you know what, verb is something that gives you the full thought. Verbs are the what? Verbs gives you the full concept related to given in any kind of sentence. Verbs are basically the full thoughts, full concept. We can say that, for example, verb itself, if there is no verb within any sentence, then there would be nothing. You cannot convey the full idea, you cannot convey the full meaning of that thing. So verbs are basically the complete thought of any sentence, okay, or any kind of thing. So verbs are the actions that describes us. In fact, most of the times we can say that any single verb can be a simple form of sentence. For example, she sings. Sings itself conveying the full thought. What she do? She sings. Okay? He teach. Itself is conveying the idea. Itself is conveying the sense. So if there is no verb given in any where, so there would be no complete thought. That will be incomplete sense of that sentence. Okay, so now verbs basically comes along the verbs. Okay, and these are the main part of the verb. These are the main part of the sentence. Verbs are the main part of the sentence. Okay, you can say these are the base form. एक base form होती है sentence की, she sings a song. She a song. For example, if a sentence is she a song, then what is this conveying a sense? Is this conveying any meaning? Is this conveying any message? She a song? This is not conveying any meaning. So most of the times there should be a verb, and I can say that each sentence have a verb. Each sentence have a verb. So that's why there are multiple means to say that there are different and several kinds of or you can say types of verbs that actually made us to think about the types of the verbs used in any kind of sentence. For example, I am teaching. Okay, here we have a verb. I'm doing an action, and for example, you are a student. Is there any verb? You are a student.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
नहीं है?
ma'am. Are the verb
नहीं
to are
Linking verb are.
are. So that's why.
are
Yes, that's why most of the time we have an idea that verbs are the actions. We know it very well, but there are such types of verbs that we need to know. For example, some of you, 2 or 3 students have said that there is no verb. There is no verb because there is still some loopholes which we have to fill. Otherwise, things would not be clear if you want to have a full idea related to the parts of speech. Okay, up till now we have studied about the verbs, about the noun, pronoun, adjectives, and this time we are on verbs. We have studied about the adjectives, what they describe, pronouns, the types of the pronouns, as well as the nouns. So moving forward, the base form of the sentence is a verb. Okay, and there is a verb everywhere in the sentence. ठीक है, ये जो confusion हुई है जिन बच्चों ने कहा है कि यहाँ पे कोई verb नहीं है, that's why we are going to study about these things. So first of all, the very first type of verb is, for example, okay, one thing I want to convey to you before moving towards this verb is that the question arises how we can recognize a verb within a sentence. How we can recognize a verb? Ask yourself a question. Ask yourself a question. Can you do that? If there is any a word that you are confused about it, that is it a verb or not, is it a verb or not, then ask yourself a question. Can you do this work? Can you do this work? If you can do, if you are clear that you can do such kind of verb, such kind of work, then that will be a verb. Okay, so moving forward, then we have different types of verbs, and there are the differences between these. There are many differences between these type of verbs that we need to understand today. That's why we will study clearly and slowly in order to make the things understandable, क्योंकि हमने अपने दिमागों में, अपने CPU में किसी किस्म की confusion जो है वो नहीं छोड़नी है. Okay, so first of all comes the first type of verbs are very easy verb, that is the physical verbs. Have you can you get the idea of this physical verb from its name?
yes,
Physical
ma'am.
verb. Yes, Marwa.
Ma'am, it's about physical action.
It's about the physical action. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to?
Physical verbs are action verbs.
Physical verbs
These
are
are specific physical actions.
that does describe any specific physical action. Okay. Physical is very understandable from its physical verb, very understandable from its name, that physical appearance. You have a physical appearance, na? And anything that you or any other person can do a work physically while using his own physical self, means to say, by physical self I mean to say by using your tongue, by using your you can say your hands, your legs. So means to say anything that you can do with your own self, with your own physical self, and as well as while using any kind of tool. Anything that you can do while using a tool, then that will be a physical verb. Anything. And physical verbs are basically that kind of actual verbs जो कि बच्चों के ज़हन में जब भी आता है हम verb के बारे में पूछते हैं what are the verbs, they say that verbs are the action. So physical verbs are basically the physical action, anything that you can do while using your own self, or anything that any person can do by using his own physical sense, or by using any kind of tool. He is breaking a wall with a hammer. So he's doing an action here within the sentence. A person is doing an action, and you know it very well about those physical action. Hurry up and tell me any example of this physical verb. Hurry up.
She is playing cricket ball.
He is playing cricket. Cricket ball? He's playing cricket. It's enough. Cricket. Is Ashraf? Isa, I cannot hear you properly. Okay. Nurul and Khurshid.
He is driving a car.
He's driving a car. He's doing an action. Hafiza Muzammil.
I'm writing a letter.
I am writing a letter. Okay. Sabgha Zahid.
She is cooking.
She's cooking food. Okay. Akira Jabin.
He is walking on the road.
He's walking on the road. Sabah Parveen.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book. Muniba.
I hear the train coming.
Muhammad Awais.
I am taking the class on the Zoom.
I am taking the class on the Zoom. Okay. It's very easy and it's very understandable. Anything that you can do while using your own physical self. For example, you sit, you breathe, you play, you run, you hear. These all things comes under the category of the physical action, and I hope you can easily identify while differentiating this physical verb with the other kinds of verbs. And I hope that you people can identify. For example, I'm asking a question to you people that call me when you will be free. This is a sentence. Call me when you will be free. Is there any verb?
Yes,
Call.
ma'am. Call.
Call me.
Call.
Call.
Call is what? Call is what? You can do
Action.
a call. It's an action.
Action.
It's a physical verb. Very good. It's a physical verb. You can call any one person to any other person. So that is a physical action. Okay. If there is any other, for example, I voted in the last elections. I voted in the last elections. So is there any verb?
Yes, ma'am. Voted.
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 And what type of verb? What type of verb?
Physical.
Physical verb.
Physical verb.
Physical verb. Exactly. You voted. You did an action. Okay. So voted is describes as the physical verb. So anything that you consider that it's an action, it's an action which a doer is doing, or it's an action that is happening, then that will be a physical verb. And moving forward, another kind of verb that is most you can say such kind of verb that is used in order to differentiate with the physical verb, that is mental verbs. Mental verbs. The second kind of verb is a mental verb. First of all, we have discussed about the physical verb, anything that you can do. What do you think about this mental verb? What comes into your mind while listening or while reading such kind of verbs? What comes into your mind? Mental verb. क्या ये mental case की बात हो रही है?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. In which there are no action includes.
Okay, no action. Then what kind of action there is? Is there any action?
That
Mentally.
relates to some
Like-
thinking,
Thinking.
logic.
Like, ma'am, like if we
Thinking.
are silent, if we are
Uh-huh.
silent, so it is a mental verb.
That is a mental verb. Very good. The mental verbs are basically totally different from the physical verb. For example, I know your name. Now, here we have a verb that is know. I know your name. Anything that is undergoing through a process in your own mind, within your own mind. Anything that you can do with your own mind, that comes under this category of physical verb. Mental verb. As we have discussed about the concrete noun as well as the abstract noun, concrete noun any that you can perceive from your physical senses, and the abstract noun that you cannot perceive from your physical senses, but these things exist. For example, kindness, friendship, hate, these all things are the ideas as they don't exist physically. In the same way, when we comes toward this physical verb or the action or the mental verbs are such thing that does not exist physically. You cannot do such kind of things physically with your own physical self by using your own body or any other thing. So for example, the sentence was I voted in the last election. This is what you did with your own self. आप गए हैं, आप जाकर वोट डाल कर आए हैं, आपने एक एक्शन परफॉर्म किया है. But while talking about this mental verbs are such kind of verbs that are which are happening in your own mind. For example, we planned for a trip. Now what is this? We planned.
Friend is a mental verb.
Mental
Planned
verb.
is a mental, because you don't you have not done that work, but that is what you do. You do what? You plan. और ये जो planning होती है, ये planning physically तो नहीं होती ना. ये planning तो हम अपने दिमाग में करते हैं ना. किसी भी चीज की planning हमने करनी हो, ठीक है. For example, if we have to plan any event, if we have to plan any other thing, तो वो planning सबसे पहले दिमाग में ही आती है ना. For example, if you want to attend any kind of event, तो आप उससे पहले प्लान करती हैं. ये गर्ल्स प्लान करती हैं, या बॉयज भी आजकल के गर्ल्स से ज़्यादा ही 10 हाथ आगे निकले हुए हैं कि हमने क्या ड्रेस पहन के जाना है, हमने हेयर स्टाइलिंग कैसे करनी है, हमने मेकअप कैसे करना है, हमने कौन से शूज़ पहनने हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप उसकी प्लानिंग अपने माइंड में करती हैं ना, सोचती हैं कि मुझे किस तरह से कैसे तैयार होना है, क्या करना है. इज इट?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
तो वो
ma'am.
सारी प्लानिंग होती है ना. आपके अपने माइंड में सबसे पहले प्लानिंग होती है, देन यू आप उसको फिजिकली सेल्फ में लेकर आते हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले प्लानिंग ही होती है ना. सो प्लानिंग इटसेल्फ इज अ मेंटल वर्ब. एनीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग इन योर ओन माइंड. आई थिंक दैट you can do it. I think that you can do it. Now here we have two kind of verbs here. I think that you can do it. What are those verbs?
Think and do it.
Do, think and do. What about the other students who are present in the class? क्या तुम लोग physically ही present हो, mentally present नहीं हो? अपने दिमाग
Ma'am,
कहीं छुड़ा के
physical-
आए हो? नहीं, मुझे तो तुम लोग physically means to say आप लोग के नाम ही शो हो रहे हैं कि ये बच्चा क्लास के अंदर बैठा है, लेकिन मुझे क्या पता दिमाग भी बैठा हुआ है आपके साथ या नहीं बैठा हुआ. दिमाग कहाँ रख के आए हुए हो बाकी जो खामोश रूहें बैठी हुई हैं यहाँ पे? मैं अब आइडेंटिफाई करना शुरू कर दूं एक एक को, लेकिन बच्चे ज़हन में रखो ये सारी चीजें मैं काउंट कर रही हूँ. मुझे एक एक बच्चे का पता है कौन क्लास के अंदर अटेंटिव है, कौन मुझे रिप्लाई करता है और कौन नहीं कर रहा. सो इट्स अप टू यू. एंड पे मत रोना कि मैडम सेशनल नहीं दिए, याद रखना ये बात, बल्कि रिकॉर्ड कर लो, ठीक है. सो अपने जो आप लोगों का ये जो मेंटल साइड है ना, ये जो आप लोगों का ब्रेन है, दिमाग है, इसको भी लेकर आओ. इसको स्पेशल अलमारी में मत रखो. एक मिनट. Use your brain. I want your brain to be present in the class, not only your names. Okay. So, I think that you can do it. What kind of verbs here? Is there any verb? And how many
Yes,
verbs? And what kind of verbs?
Ma'am, there are two verbs.
Two verbs.
Mental verb and thinking verb.
Raise your hand.
Mental
First of all, answer me. Raise your hands, then answer me. लेट मी फाइंड माय ओन टारगेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। मुझे जरा अपना टारगेट ढूंढने दो। खामोश रूह ढूंढने दो मुझे। नोमान शफकत, Noman Shafkat,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Noman, the
Ji.
sentences. I think
Mental.
that you can do it. What kind? Is there any verb?
Yes.
What kinds of verbs?
Do is verb.
Okay, do is a verb.
Ma'am,
is
it's
there any
second
other
verb.
verb? Is there any other verb?
Ji. Yes, ma'am.
Is there any other verb?
No, ma'am.
नहीं है. Noman?
No, ma'am. और कोई
Are you
verb नहीं है.
sure?
No, ma'am.
Are you
इसमें कोई
sure?
verb. Yes, ma'am.
इसका मतलब है अच्छा अभी मैंने क्या बताया है इससे पहले? मैं क्या बात कर रही थी क्लास में?
आप मैम आप बता रही थी कि ये जो सोई हुई रूहें हैं इनके मैंने सेशनल मार्क्स नहीं देने हैं।
हाँ,
और
उससे पहले क्या
फिर आपने
बताया?
मेरा
उससे
नाम
पहले
फाइल
क्या
किया।
बताया? हाँ हाँ, और उससे पहले मैंने क्या बताया है?
किससे पहले मैम? इससे पहले?
हाँ, उससे भी पहले क्या बताया मैंने?
उससे पहले मैम आप ये एग्जांपल पूछ रही थी और एक गर्ल ने आगे से आंसर किया है कि इसमें 2 वर्ड्स हैं।
अच्छा, उससे भी पहले मैंने क्या बताया?
उससे पहले मैम मैंने ज्वाइन किया है तकरीबन
अच्छा।
2:30 पे।
क्यों इतनी लेट क्यों ज्वाइन किया है?
मैम मैं इधर लैंड के सिलसिले में सरगोद आया हुआ था, वो कुछ इंतकाल करवाने थे क्योंकि यहाँ शिफ्टिंग कर रहे हैं सरगोद में, तो इस तरह।
बच्चे अगर आपके
मैंने अभी
इश्यूज होते हैं, अगर ऐसे इश्यूज होते हैं तो मुझे कन्वे किया करो, फिर बाद में
ओके मैम,
अच्छा,
नेक्स्ट टाइम
अच्छा।
आपको ठीक है,
मुझे कन्वे किया
नेक्स्ट टाइम
करो।
आपको कन्वे कर दें।
रिदा
ठीक
फखर?
है।
यस मैम.
हाँ जी बच्चे, क्या बताया मैंने?
मेंटल वर्ब्स के बारे में.
What? Okay, the sentence is, I think that you can do it. Is the verb?
Think or do. Think mental verb or do.
मेरा सिग्नल इश्यूज हो गए थे। Can you hear me now?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. मैं किसके ऊपर थी? निमरा उमर? निमरा उमर?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे।
Yes ma'am.
I think that you can do it. Is there any verb?
Yes ma'am. Think mental verb or do physical verb.
Yes, very good. So, I think that you can do it. There are 2 kinds of verbs given over here, and think is what? Think is not something that you do physically, but think is what that you think that you do such kind of thing. You do, but not physically, within your own brain. So, mental verbs gives you the concept of something. ठीक है? Mental verbs जो होते हैं वो किसी न किसी चीज के concept को identify करते हैं. So, for example, I discover, I plan, I understand, I think, I know it, I believe. ठीक है? So, I trust. These are something that you can do while using your own, while within your own mind. You can do it such things physically. Is it clear to you? Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes
No
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Hurry up and make 2 examples related to physical verb as well as mental verbs. Hurry up. Tareem. Tareem Ishaq.
हेलो मैम, आवाज आ रही
जी बच्चे, अब आइए बोलो।
है? कॉल मी व्हेन यू आर फ्री.
बच्चे ऐसे एग्जांपल्स बनाओ, बताओ जो मैंने ना बताई नहीं हो. यूज योर ओन ब्रेन. तहरीम.
ओके मैम.
सना सर. जी बच्चे.
I can feel weather.
I can read a letter. Okay. So make an example of a mental verb.
I can feel weather.
आपकी समझ नहीं आ रही सना मुझे. म्यूट
I
करो सना. सना मुझे आपकी समझ नहीं आ रही.
मैम I can feel weather. जो feel होगा वो mental word होगा.
I can feel weather. What kind of weather you can feel? You can feel windy seas and you can feel uh, warm weather. You can feel cold, but you cannot feel. We cannot say that you can. Yeah, feeling is something that you can't do it physically, but in your own self. Okay, Muzammil Khan.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me an example of the two different
I
kinds.
hope that
Ji Muzammil.
I hope that you can run easily. I hope that you can run easily. Hope is an mental verb and run is physical verb.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
जी मैम.
तो ये मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोच रहा है, पता चल गया. ऐसे तो कहीं नहीं ना होता. आप किसी की सोचों के अंदर तो नहीं घुसते. ऐसी बात है ना. So this was a difference between those two things. Is there any confusion? I have to move forward.
No ma'am.
No
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So moving forward, then we have, for example, recognize karna. I know, believe these all things comes under this category of mental as well as the physical verb. Most of the times question arises about the difference between these two things. ठीक है, physical और mental verb में ही difference को basically आता होता है. Now the next kind of verb that comes is, अब ये जो next two type के हैं verbs की, इनके दरमियान भी difference होता है. ठीक है, and that is, have you heard about the linking as well as helping verb?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Linking as
Yes,
well as the helping verb. Do you think that these both are same?
Yes ma'am. Is
Yes, ma'am.
ये सब दोनों same होते हैं, linking और helping?
somehow.
Somehow, okay. Anyone else? Do you think that linking as well and the helping verbs are same?
No.
No, these both are not same. These both are different. As similar as mental and the physical verbs are different, in the same way, linking as well as the helping verb, these both are different. There is a difference. There is a big difference, I can say, between these two things, and we have to understand and we have to know how we should differentiate between these two kinds of verbs. Up till now we have discussed about the physical and the mental verbs as well as the difference between these two things, these two verbs. Now we have two more types of verbs, which are the linking as well as the helping verbs, and there are the difference between both these kinds of verbs. Linking verb first of all comes towards this linking verb. Linking, it's very understandable and we can know about its name, linking. What do you think about this linking verb?
Join.
Is
Which relates something.
which relates? Okay. Okay. Muniba, do you want to say something?
No ma'am, बस इसी का आंसर बता रही थी.
Okay. So linking verbs and the helping verb. Linking word is totally different from the helping. Help is different from the link. हेल्प करना तो आप किसी की हेल्प कर रहे होते हैं. लिंक करना क्या होता है? किसी दो चीजों को आपस में लिंक कर रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, बट लिंकिंग वर्ब्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग वर्ब्स. Linking verbs are also called state of being. State of being means to say that these are the verbs that describes about the state. state of being, to be, ठीक है, state of being that describes about any state. These things are not describing about any particular action, but these things are describing about any condition, about any state, about any situation that exists. These are the state of being, or we can say the linking verbs. Linking verbs or the state of being verbs, these both are the same, are the two different names of the same thing. Linking verb or state of being verb that describe the state of anything or any situation that exists, ठीक है. And one of the most important thing is that मैं आपको एग्जांपल के तौर के साथ भी समझाती हूँ. These linking or the state of being verbs are not those verbs which are in action. ये action के में verbs नहीं आते, but these are something that describe the state, means to say that describes this verb here. For example, I am describing here, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Is there any verb?
Yes.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Am.
Helping verb.
Okay. It's not helping verb. It's not helping verb. Listen to me. I am a teacher. Here, teacher is what?
Verb.
Teacher is a verb.
Object.
Noun.
I. Listen to me. What is subject here?
I.
I को modify कौन कर रहा है? I को modify कौन कर रहा है?
Teacher.
Complement के तौर पे.
Teacher.
टीचर itself जो है वो एक नाउन है, ठीक है. लेकिन जब हम किसी वर्ड को किसी दूसरे सेंटेंस की किसी और सेंस में लेकर आते हैं तो फिर उसका मीनिंग डिफरेंट हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम अ टीचर, हेयर आई इज अ प्रोनाउन हेयर, एंड टीचर जो है वो आई को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, आई को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. देन ये क्या हो जाएगा इधर?
Adjective.
रोल प्ले कर रहा है सेंटेंस में, ठीक है. इस सेंटेंस में ये एडजेक्टिव का ये कम्प्लीमेंट दे रहा है कि आई क्या है, ठीक है. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स दिस एम. एम इज व्हाट? एम इज डिस्क्राइबिंग here the state of what the pronoun or what the subject is. am जो है, for example, you are student, this is describing the state you are. Here are is playing the role of a linking verb or a state of being verb because it is describing the state. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have some more points to give you about the difference between these two things. For example, linking verbs जो होते हैं हम इसको ये भी कहते हैं जो कि subject as well as the adjective या कोई noun हो उसके दरमियान connection create कर रहा हो, ठीक है. linking verb जो है वो जो subject है या कोई adjective है या noun है जो जिसको वो describe कर रहा है उसके दरमियान वो एक कनेक्शन क्रिएट कर रहा हो जो लिंकिंग वर्ब होता है, ठीक है. आई एम टीचर, एम जो है वो इधर दोनों में जो डिफरेंट साइड्स पे वर्ड्स हैं उसको कनेक्ट कर रहा है, एज वेल एज इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, एज वेल एज दिस इज आल्सो डिस्क्राइबिंग द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग. आई एम टीचर, ठीक है. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल, he became angry. Linking verbs are not just is, am, are, but we have to understand that which word is linking the subject with the noun or adjective, or we have to understand that which verb we have to understand that which word is describing. She became angry.
Became.
Came.
is describing the state of being ना. became जो है वो किसी उसकी state को describe कर रहा है, ठीक है. I am a teacher. Now am is describing the state. You are a student. This is describing the state. For example, the bulb turned red or orange or any other color. The bulb, ये जो bulb होता है, the bulb turned red.
Turn.
Because exactly. And why turned? And why turned?
And because it is describing the state.
Describe the state of bulb.
It is describing the state of a bulb. Very good. Because it is describing the state of bulb. Now, to turn here is connecting the subject, that is a bulb, with an adjective, the red. The bulb turned red. अभी जो turned है ये state of being को भी describe कर रहा है. So that this one is an action ना, this one is a verb here. She became angry. ठीक है, तो ये आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना जरूरी है कि जो लिंकिंग वर्ब होता है या फिर जो इसको स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग भी कहते हैं, ये किसी की कंडीशन को स्टेट को डिस्क्राइब करता है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving forward towards this helping verb, there is a great difference between helping as well as the linking verb. How? Helping here is not describing any state of being. ठीक है, helping verb linking verb से बहुत different है. Helping verb होता है जो कि help कर रहा है, ठीक है, because we can understand from its name, it's helping. I am a teacher. Here am is describing the state of being, but I am teaching. Now what it is? I am teaching.
Helping
Am
verb.
यहाँ पे भी आ गया. Am तो यहाँ पे भी आ गया.
Helping or am?
Am
Helping verb.
लेकिन I am teacher.
Yeah. Here and
Linking verb.
Linking verb.
अच्छा, I am teacher, I am teaching. Why am here linking verb में am जो है वो linking क्यों है I am a teacher में, and I am teaching में ये linking क्यों नहीं हो रहा? फिर होना चाहिए ना?
no,
क्या
ma'am.
ये नहीं होना चाहिए?
No.
मैम यहाँ
State को change कर.
को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर.
वेरी गुड
Sense को
क्योंकि ये
describe.
किसी की स्टेट को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर रहा. I am teaching, I am a teacher. Here we don't have an action, the main action. Here we don't have main action. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Here we don't have any main action. इस तरह कोई main action नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे am जो है वो link कर रहा है, ठीक है. It is describing the state of being. Now moving towards this, I am teaching. Here we have a main verb. ठीक है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब में क्या होता है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब में हमेशा आपके पास एक मेन एक्शन होता है, एक मेन वर्ब होता है. आई एम टीचिंग. टीचिंग इज वर्ड.
Occupation.
Action.
Teaching itself, Iman. Teaching itself is the main action. ठीक है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब में आपके पास हमेशा मेन एक्शन मौजूद होता है, ठीक है. बट उसके साथ साथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब में, एक मिनट नूरुल खुदा, मैं एंड पे सारा कुछ रिपीट कर दूंगी, वेट करो. हेल्पिंग वर्ब में आपके पास हमेशा मेन वर्ब होता है, ठीक है. आई एम टीचिंग, दैट इज अ मेन वर्ब हियर, एंड यू यूज एन अदर वर्ब, another kind of verb that is called an auxiliary verb, that is that is connected with another main verb in order to describe, in order to express that action. ठीक है, आपका ये जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है इसको ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब भी कहते हैं, ठीक है. जो आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब है इसे ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब भी कहते हैं. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब मीन्स टू से जो कि आपके टेंस की टाइमिंग को बताता है. टेंस क्या है? टेंस हमारी टाइमिंग डिस्कस करता है ना. टेंस हमारी कंडीशन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. टेंसेस जो होता है हम पढ़ते हैं, टेंसेस हम ता है, ती है करते हैं, गया था, हम इस तरीके से नहीं पढ़ते हैं. बेसिकली टेंसेस का क्या रोल होता है? टेंसेस जस्ट डिस्क्राइब द टाइमिंग. whether it is present, whether it is future, whether it is past. ये timings है ना. So in the same way, with the helping verbs or the auxiliary verbs are used with the main verbs in order to describe, in order to present, in order to express thus we can say the timing, or we can say that it is connected with the main verb in order to convey the thought. I am teaching. Here am is describing, here is an helping verb here which is describing the timing. I am teaching na, this time I am teaching. It's simple. I was teaching. You were studying. You will be studying. Studying is a main verb here, ठीक है, या teaching is a main verb here, और उसके साथ जो आपका auxiliary verb होगा जो कि tense verb use होगा, जो कि आपको timing बता रहा होगा, that will be a helping verb. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है, तो आपका जो helping verb होता है वो हमेशा उसके पास एक main verb होता है, ठीक है, उसके पास हमेशा एक मेन वर्ब होता है और उसके साथ वो कनेक्ट होता है जो कि टाइमिंग को डिस्कस करता है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू एवरीवन रिगार्डिंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीस टू, लिंकिंग वर्ब और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग वर्ब, या फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब और ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब?
यस मैम, क्लियर है.
तो कभी अगर ये क्वेश्चन आ जाए कि स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग वर्सेस ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब, कैन यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन दीस टू थिंग्स इजीली?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब रिपीट कर दें.
मैं
ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब
मैम रिपीट कर दें एक दफा.
मैं कर देती हूँ. ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स होते हैं जो कि टेंस वर्ब्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जो कि टेंसेस क्या होते हैं, टेंसेस का काम क्या है, टेंसेस का काम सिर्फ और सिर्फ कंडीशन को डिस्क्राइब करना है, ठीक है, टेंसेस का काम टाइमिंग को डिस्क्राइब करना है. टेंस हमेशा टाइम को डिस्क्राइब करता है, टेंस का और कोई काम नहीं है, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टीचिंग, आई विल बी टीचिंग, आई वाज टीचिंग, ये जो इधर एम है, वाज है, विल है, ये टाइमिंग को बता रहे हैं. टाइमिंग क्या है, टाइमिंग है प्रेजेंट की, पास्ट की, या फ्यूचर की. इज इट सो?
यस मैम.
ठीक है. तो ये जो आपको ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब होता है या हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है, ये आपकी सेंटेंस के अंदर टाइमिंग को डिस्कस कर रहा होता है, ठीक है. आई एम टीचिंग, आपके हेल्पिंग वर्ब में आपके पास हमेशा एक, यू ऑलवेज हैव अ मेन वर्ब, ठीक है, अ बेस फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब. यू आर स्टडिंग, ठीक है, स्टडिंग इज द मेन वर्ब, स्टडिंग इज द मेन एक्शन, and am is describing the timing. Am is describing, giving you the, is playing the role of helping, help कर रहा है वहाँ पे, tense को describe कर रहा है, ठीक है. then that will be a helping verb. Is it clear?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. main verb होता है, helping verb के साथ आपका main verb होता है, ठीक है. so इसमें यही difference है between these two kinds of things. Hurry up and make the example of these two kinds of verbs and tell me with the difference. Hurry up. Isa?
Insha and Alina are best friends.
Insha and Alina are the best friends. एक मिनट रुको जरा. अच्छा, हाँ बोलो दोबारा. Isa and
Insha and Alina are best friends. Next is linking verb are there.
yes, because it is describing the state ना, it is describing the condition, ठीक है, are the best friends. And about helping verb Isa?
She is cooking food.
He is cooking food, and cooking is what?
Cooking is a verb and is a helping verb.
Cooking is the main verb, ठीक है,
Main
and
verb.
it's describing. Siva Zahir?
Ali can ride her sister cycle.
Ali can
ride her sister's cycle.
Ali can drive her sister's cycle. What is drive here?
Ma'am, drive नहीं ride.
Ali can ride.
Yes,
बच्चे
ma'am.
मुझे समझ नहीं आई। दोबारा बोलो सबका।
Ali can ride her sister's cycle.
So what is that particular verb to which you are referring?
Can ride.
Can. Ride is what?
Verb.
What kind of verb? Is it a main verb? Is it a main verb, Sivka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving forward, then we have Muhammad Shoaib.
We must finish this today. Must is the helping verb, finished is the main verb, and another example. I am hungry. am जो है यहाँ पर linking verb है.
लिंकिंग वर्ब है जो कि किसी स्टेट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. ओके नुमान.
He is happy is a linking verb. He is feeling happy. And is a helping verb and feeling is a main verb.
Okay, let me find my target now. Kamu Zara.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चे, make an example. Hurry up. I'm waiting for you. कामोस.
मैम हमारे घर का टाइम है तो मैंने इतना नहीं सुना लेक्चर.
क्यों?
गेस्ट टाइम है.
गेस्ट टाइम है. क्या गेस्ट इतने इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपकी क्लास इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है? क्लास के अंदर आप प्रेजेंट हो?
आपकी
नहीं बच्चे, आप क्लास के अंदर प्रेजेंट हो तो इसका मतलब है आपको अटेंटिव होना मस्ट है. अगर आपके घर गेस्ट टाइम है तो आपके क्लास भी ना लो. अगर इतने इम्पोर्टेंट है वो गेस्ट तो फिर तो क्लास भी ना लो. फिर प्रेजेंस शो करने की क्या जरूरत है? सबा परवीन. सबा परवीन.
यस मैम.
हाँ जी बच्चे, मेक एन एग्जांपल.
मैम हेल्पिंग वर्ब की she appears upset about the announcement. मैम appears is helping verb.
दोबारा बोलो बच्चे. She appears
upset about the announcement. मैम here appears is helping verb.
appear नहीं आएगा. She seems to be upset. appears not. appears की सेंस नहीं बन रही. She seems to be upset. तो seem जो है वो यहाँ पे लिंक कर रहा है.
Yes ma'am.
Is it helping? Yes. How it is helping? Sabah?
Yes ma'am.
How this one is helping?
Ma'am, sorry, this one linking verb.
How it's a linking verb?
Ma'am, because it's state बता रहा है.
Okay. Jamila Zafar.
Yes,
Jamila. Give me an example.
Ma'am, he is worried about exams.
He is worried about exams. So what kind? ये किसकी example दे रही हो आप?
Ma'am, helping verb.
Helping verb की. So what is there any main verb?
Ma'am, worried. Ma'am, he is worried. Ma'am, is.
I am asking, is there any main verb?
Ma'am, is.
I am asking about the main verb, बच्चे. जमीला.
Yes, ma'am.
Main verb क्या है यहाँ पे?
Ma'am, worried.
Worried है. Worried क्यों है? Jamila, answer me. Hurry up.
मैम नहीं पता.
दोबारा सेंटेंस बोलो अपना.
मैम he is worried about exam.
He is worried about exams. बच्चे worried जो है जहाँ पे ये एक मेन एक्शन है ना जमीला.
Yes मैम.
ठीक है, ये एक मेन एक्शन आपका हो रहा है परफॉर्म. He is worried about the exams. ठीक है, worried उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, उसकी मतलब एक मेन एक्शन आपके पास मौजूद है. और यहाँ पे is जो है ये यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तौर पे रोल प्ले कर रहा है, बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस यू हैव मेन वर्ब. ठीक है, आप जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है, दोबारा कान खोल के अपना दिमाग भी खोल के सारे सुन लो. आपका जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है वो आपका हमेशा मेन वर्ब के साथ आता है. ठीक है, आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमेशा मेन वर्ब के साथ आता है. आपका मेन वर्ब जो होता है इज, एम, आर या कोई भी आपका जो मेन वर्ब होगा, मेन वर्ब के साथ जो वर्ब आ रहा होगा, ही इज worried. Here you have worried as a main verb and is helping here as a verb. He is worried about the exam, so this one is an example of a helping verb. ठीक है, linking verb जो होता है उसके अंदर आपका लिंक कर रहा होता है, as state of being को describe कर रहा होता है. ठीक है, किसी भी स्टेट को, किसी भी सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा होता है. इन दैट केस यू डोंट हैव मेन वर्ब, बट यू हैव a linking verb, is, am, are or any other word, became. ठीक है, turn ये जो है वो आपके स्टेट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे होते हैं. इनामुल्ला.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me an example.
She is sensible.
He is sensible. Okay. This one is an example of what?
Is a linking verb.
Is a linking verb and ये आपके linking verb को इस describe कर रहा है. अपनी example दोबारा बोलो.
She is sensible.
She is sensible. Sensible is what? Sensible is describing the state here. ठीक है, and is playing the role. Is describing the state of being. Then this one will be a linking verb here. Okay. So I hope you people have clearly understand the difference between these two types of. Okay, wait for a while. Zoshia Ijaz. Zoshia Ijaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me examples.
Yes, ma'am. He is a doctor.
Okay, this one is an example of
linking verb.
Okay, helping की बनाओ.
She is cleaning her room. Helping is.
Okay, good, Zoshia. So this was the difference between these two kinds of linking as well as the helping verb, and I hope you people have clearly understand the difference between these two kinds of verbs. Is there any confusion? You can ask me easily and freely within this minute. Hurry up.
No, ma'am.
Clear है मैम.
Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Anyone
Clear
else is having confusion? Okay, moving forward, then we have another two kinds. Up till now we have discussed about 4 kinds of verbs, which are physical, mental, linking और linking या फिर state of being भी इसको कहते हैं, and helping as well as a auxiliary verb. auxiliary जो के tense को describe कर रहा होता है helping में. उसके साथ साथ टेंसेस का मतलब ये है कि उसकी टाइमिंग को डिस्कस कर रहा होता है, सेंटेंस की उसकी टाइमिंग को बता रहा है, वेदर इट्स इन प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर और द पास्ट. सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, देन वी हैव 2 more types of verbs which have a clear cut difference between them. These are the transitive as well as the intransitive verbs. Have you any idea? Do you have any idea regarding these 2 types of verbs?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
मैम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में जो है ना ऑब्जेक्ट इंक्लूड होता है और इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में नहीं होता.
Very good, very good. सबका transitive and the intransitive. Transitive verbs are those verbs that requires an answer. Transitive verbs are those verbs
which requires an answer. An answer means to say that. एक मिनट रुको. हाँ जी. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. So answer means to say transitive verbs are those verbs which requires an answer, or you can say that these such kind of verbs which requires an object. Okay, which requires an object in order to complete the sense of the sentence, in order to complete the sense of the message which is conveyed. Okay, and one more thing that you have to keep within your mind while identifying these transitive verbs, that you have to ask yourself a question. Ask yourself a question. Ask yourself a question means to say, for example, I make. Now I make is requires an answer, na? Make is what? Make is a verb, na? Make is a verb or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a verb.
Makes a verb.
ठीक है, I make now requires an answer. You make what? ठीक है. So this I make requires an answer. I make noodles, I make tea, any other thing. So I make requires an answer, then this will be a transitive verb. While identifying the transitive verbs, you have to ask yourself a question that is it conveying the complete sense, or it requires an object to complete its sense, or it requires an answer. I make is not complete, is not conveying the complete sense, or you can say the complete thought. It's not conveying. Okay, so this will be what? This will be what? This will be a transitive verb.
Transitive verb.
This will be a transitive verb. ठीक है? So transitive verbs में हमेशा आपने ये ध्यान से रखना है, whether it requires an answer or not, then that will be a transitive verbs. For example, I respect. Do you think that this one requires an answer?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
Because it requires, you respect what? To whom you respect? ठीक है? I respect you, I respect her, I respect him. These all things requires an answer. I respect. You respect to whom? This requires an answer, na? For example, I believe. You.
जी मैम.
I need. ठीक है? I need. You need what? You this thing. So transitive verbs always needs an answer or an object in order to convey its complete thought, in order to convey its complete sense. So ऐसे verb जो कि answer require करें, object require करें, that those will be transitive verbs. Is it clear to everybody?
जी मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Forward, then we have intransitive verbs. The next type of verb which basically makes a difference with the transitive verbs are the intransitive verbs. I will send you all the hands out regarding this thing. Intransitive verbs. Now, what do you think? What intransitive will be? What will be intransitive?
It doesn't require.
It doesn't require object.
Does not require object to complete its sense.
Exactly, very good. It doesn't require any other object or any other answer to complete its sense. I laugh. I laugh itself is conveying the complete sense. It doesn't require an answer. I laugh. It's an action. Okay? I walk.
Yes,
I play. I run. These all things itself, these all verbs are itself complete in their sense, and it doesn't require an answer. I run itself is conveying the sense. You don't need an answer. You don't need an object. You don't need an object. Itself is, yeah, you can say that I run on the road. Yeah, this one also conveying the sense, but I run, if it's limited to until this, then I run, this will be a intransitive verb because it doesn't require an answer. It doesn't require an answer. It doesn't require an object to complete its sense. For example, I play. I play is also conveying the complete sense. But if the sentence is, but if a verb is, I bake. Now, I baked requires an answer. You baked what? But I run. You run what? It doesn't require an answer. A run doesn't require an answer. इसके आगे कोई question नहीं mark आता. ठीक है? But I baked what? It requires an answer. Then that will be what?
Transitive verb.
Transitive हो जाएगा. But when you don't require an answer, this will be a, for example, intransitive. I sold. Do you think that this requires an answer?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I sold. It requires an answer. I sold what? It doesn't require an answer. It requires an answer means to say. It requires an answer. I sold. I sold what? I sold a dress. I sold tickets. I sold a book. These all things requires an answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
These all requires an answer. He arrived. If a word is he arrived, do you think that this requires an answer? No. Or no?
No, ma'am.
Do you think that it's conveying this complete sense? This one is conveying the complete sense. It doesn't require an answer. Traveled. I arrived. Or we can say that, for example, I sneezed. Or you can say I sneezed. Sneeze क्या होता है?
मैम नहीं पता.
किसी को भी नहीं पता. छींकना.
No, ma'am.
It requires an answer. Sold. I sold. Do you think that it requires an answer?
Yes, ma'am. It requires.
It requires an answer. Then that will be a transitive verb.
नहीं मैम, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन था कि ये जो होता है वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के दरमियान कोई और भी आ सकता है वर्ड?
आ सकता है बच्चे, जरूर आ सकता है. Okay, so I hope you people have clearly understand the difference between transitive as well as the intransitive, and we are running out of the time. I will send you an activity in the group and you will send me the answers of those. Up till now we have discussed about 6 types of verbs, and the activities related to all these 6 types of verbs. तो उसको मैं आप लोगों को ग्रुप में वो सेंड करने लगी हूँ. दैट एक्टिविटी यू विल कंप्लीट दैट एक्टिविटी अप टिल टुमारो इवनिंग. ठीक है? काफी टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है, हद से ज्यादा टाइम है. ठीक है? तो कल शाम तक आप उसको एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करो और सेंड करो ग्रुप के अंदर. आई विल चेक इट आउट एंड मूविंग फॉरवर्ड then we will discuss about rest of the things which are left. And activity karo, then you will be clearly understand what actually these things are, and I hope you people have get the idea regarding these things. और एक और चीज़ है, वो जो एक्टिविटी भेजने लगी हूँ उसमें एक सेकंड पेज पे एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है. उसमें जो उन्होंने अपनी तरफ से आंसर दिया हुआ ना एक चीज़ का एज अ टिप, एज अ यू कैन से हिंट, वो गलत दिया हुआ है. ठीक है? तो उसको आप लोग एक दफ़ा ध्यान से देख लेना. तो I hope you will have and all these things. जीनो मान बोले.
मैम पहले वाले MCQs क्या? मैम पहले वाले MCQs के भी आपको आंसर सेंड करना है ग्रुप में.
हाँ बच्चे वो भेज दो, मैं उसकी सेटिंग चेंज करने लगी हूँ. ठीक है?
ओके. ठीक
है? Okay, see you all on Friday. Up till then, take care of yourself. खुदा हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Allah Hafiz.